All right, today at the fall Reno swap. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get the walk around going.
Oh, no, that's all right. I got a band decoder. It's an antenna switch that reads the data from your radio and then switches to the correct antenna. And then for building, I specifically bought it for this. But yeah, so random inflator. John.
What's happening?
Wow.
What's you guys looking on this?
How much on the balance? Well, I'm asking 10, but make an offer. 5.
5? Okay, he said.
How about 10 for both of them?
Yeah.
5 and 5?
Yeah. With the stuff. Did you say 5? I said 10, but
you know what?
You're offering me 5? Yeah. I'll take 5.
Can you hang on to those for a second? I gotta go grab my wallet. It's in my motorcycle.
Okay.
I'll be back. Sorry about that.
We'll take a third party out of state.
I will be back in a minute.
No, I won't.
Okay. That always is a pain that I forgot. Hey Stan, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Maybe I'll be there.
Welcome. Have a great day. Good luck today. Thank you very much. Get my coffee. It's the most important thing.
You got to take that. I won't be able to resell that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's pause this.
What y'all asking for this?
All kinds of goodies down here. And I am going to take a quick pause so I can go grab my wallet. Alright, so we're going to go back over here. See what this gentleman has here. Alright. Some parts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tubes.
Okay.
GL813, and that one is a CRC 813.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Unfortunately, it comes down to what
All right.
I'm allowed to spend.
That right there is grounds for divorce.
What's that?
I said that right there is grounds for divorce.
Yeah, you
Well, make me an offer, right? I don't want to take it home.
I don't want to talk to you.
No, so we just talked to that guy right there.
And you sent me something off the wall about the monkeys in the banana.
Yeah.
You send it to everybody you know.
Alright, let's take a walk around here. 2,000.
Don't just take pictures, buy.
Yeah, went in 60 and retired in 85.
Oh, wow. My dad was Navy too.
Oh,
Did a few trips to Vietnam.
good outfit. Had a good time.
Peter stuff. Old test equipment, huh?
Yeah, if you're interested, let me know. Correct. But if you do an alert, then humans will also. Now, there's a time window we want to probably be less than.
I built that one myself.
Time window probably be
Yes, it is.
But if they're using ham alert,
Yeah.
search for you, then
I just never got it in the air. And you can kind of see you can sort of see the thinking.
Well, you know,
Right.
it's like 20 years ago I was going to build that 2 kW roller inductor.
Yeah.
And here I am, 75 years old, and thinking,
Lots of HTs.
Where did you used to live?
I'm sorry?
Where did you used to live?
Long Beach and Bellflower, and then Brea, and then Orange. Then finally got out of there. And, went to Central Cal.
Down in our neck of the woods.
Tubes.
Oh, Henry Insurance, how are you? I didn't bring anything this time. Yeah.
John,
Hello.
I knew I'd find you guys here. I'll catch you later.
How you guys doing?
and we sold a few things already, so not too bad.
Good. You can buy her lunch.
True.
There goes the profit.
Well, we go over to the grill there across the way.
Yeah, there you go. Have you been there before?
Yeah,
Decent?
yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
How much you want?
50.
Okay.
Oh,
No work on mine. Only on the 703, 706, and 7000.
okay. Oh well.
You John?
Hey, Ronnie. How you doing, Ronnie?
Good.
Hello.
Good morning.
I had a box for all the radios.
So we're gonna go have.
I actually drew us a picture.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to.
It's huge. Ah, there you go. Here's some nice oil fill caps. These are getting harder to come by.
There's other brands. The guy that bought a brand new travel.
Yeah, let's go back over here. Lots of microphones.
Hey there.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. Lots of cool microphones too.
Oh yeah.
Radio station that I know a whole bunch of those. Light sockets.
Oh,
Yeah. The transmitter wouldn't go down to 250 watts. So they put 250 watts worth of lights in a Faraday shield. And they put half the power to the light bulbs. That's how they made their 250 watts for the
You gotta be creative sometimes.
Yep.
There you go. That's a big old ohmite. Lots of tubes. Let's go back over here. Give you guys another little walkie.
Is something that I strive for. He has set not only an example for the younger generation, but for adults too.
I listened to a couple things after that happened. Yeah, definitely.
Alright. Some loop antenna type stuff. Coax. Antenna
I thought the accepted definition of QRP was 5 watts, but I guess it's anything lower than 100.
No. A lot of people have different.
Okay. First rig I ever had.
All good people.
First HF rig. ICOM 720.
Oh, that's why it looks wide. It's not speakers. I didn't notice that. I thought that it was entirely I thought that was the whole screen. I was like really confused. Small computer. I guess you were right.
All kinds of goodies.
We've got one of the stations
All right.
in our computer center. So it's linked in, and
There's
I
Stan
have the
again.
original Midland synthesized 600 radio.
And back to the SNARS table here. They're doing some giveaways on radios. They got some pretty good raffles going on. So we always say hello to the table here.
Hi.
You guys doing some good giveaways today too for the raffle, huh?
Morning. Good morning.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. But,
Yeah. Always got to give them a little plug. SNARS.org.
you have two choices. You can take pictures of the winner, or you can buy a ticket and be a winner.
There you go.
I'll buy some tickets.
$6 per car.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it from the fall Reno ham swap. We'll catch you next time.